We have more updates coming in. Like I said, it's a developing story, more and more inputs pouring in thick and fast. And now the latest update we have is that the airlines, Air India and Indigo, they have suspended flights to Kathmandu as protests escalate in Nepal. Remember, we got you the information earlier that Kathmandu airport has been shut down, and that is the reason why earlier two Indigo flights bound for Kathmandu, one was from Delhi, another one was from Mumbai to Tribhuvan International Airport, also did not receive any clearance to land, and that also had to be diverted to Lucknow. And as unrest and chaos escalates in Nepal, Air India as well as Indigo both in fact are updating passengers about what they should be doing. As of now, flights to Kathmandu have been cancelled both by Air India as well as Indigo, and Indigo in fact has issued a travel advisory as well. For more, let's go across to my colleague Rishabh. Rishabh, the flights clearly have been cancelled to Kathmandu by both Air India as well as Indigo, but what is it that Indigo has said in the advisory?
Well, what we are given to understand that Indigo has released an advisory saying that given the situation in Kathmandu, the flights to Kathmandu has been put to halt, and till the situation remains tense in Kathmandu, the flight services or Indigo services to Kathmandu will remain suspended. All the flights that that operates from India to Kathmandu, the Indigo flights have been put on hold, and no flights will go. One flight that was en route to Kathmandu was landed in Lucknow, and the passengers were asked to wait for them to be brought back to Delhi as well. Most of the flights that were en route to Kathmandu have returned to their origin place. So now that Tribhuvan International Airport is closed, Indigo, Air India, all are now shutting down their operations or for that matter have shut down their operations to Kathmandu.